Hello friends, in this video we see another important topic, that is enzyme regulation. Many biological systems that utilize enzymes must able to regulate their activity. One means of enzyme regulation involves using special agents called inhibitors, that are the molecules or sometimes ions that binds onto the enzyme and inhibit their activity. Any substance that can diminish the velocity of an enzyme catalyzed reaction is called an inhibitor. It is of two categories, that is irreversible inhibitors and reversible inhibitors. In irreversible inhibition, the inhibitor binds very tightly to the enzyme either via covalent or non-covalent bonding and does not dissociate very easily. While in reversible inhibition, the inhibitor binds onto the enzyme but can dissociate easily under the proper condition, such as dilution of the enzyme inhibitor complex. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for watching.